I think everyone has rejoined. Okay. Children, I'm sharing the screen once again. I don't know what exactly happened. I hope the data is saved. Okay. So yes, we were discussing about this equation, and I was telling that this equation is this reaction will take place. Why? Because magnesium is more reactive than copper. So it is going to take the place of copper, and it is going to lead to the formation of MgSO4. MgSO4 and copper is going to be formed. Okay, children. So the product which will be formed is MgSO4 and Cu. MgSO4 plus Cu. Again, it is blue in color. It is colorless. Let us come to the next equation. Whose chance was it? Meher had answered. Subhansh. Next question is, I don't know what's happening. Lead plus CuCl2. Will this reaction take place or not?
Yes.
This reaction will also take place. Fine. What will be the product form?
PbCl plus Cu.
Yes. PbCl2 plus copper. Next question after Subhansh. Siddhishri, will you be able to unmute yourself? Siddhishri. Sudhamshu.
Yes.
So tell me, will this reaction occur or not? Fe2O3 plus Al. Will this reaction take place or not?
Yes.
Then what will be the product form?
AlO3 plus Fe2.
Very good. Al2O3 plus Fe. Then let me write the last reaction for Zoha. Zoha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Zoha, let me tell you, you tell me if this reaction will take place or not, and what will be the product form if this reaction occurs.
Ma'am, it won't.
Won't? Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
You are incorrect. Again, we have to check for zinc and hydrogen. Now check and tell what will be the product form. Because zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, so this reaction will take place and it will lead to the formation of ZnCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Clear, everyone? Any doubts still here? Yes or no? Can I move to the next reaction?
Ma'am,
So,
can you show the reactivity table again?
yes. If you missed out, I'm going to anyway upload the work done in the class on the app.
Ma'am, I made some mistake.
Okay. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next we have double displacement reaction. What is happening? Next we have the double displacement reaction, which will be the last topic for today. I hope you were able to understand the displacement reaction. Double displacement is a very easy reaction to be understood. So double displacement, clearly it is saying that there will be 2 times displacement which is going to happen. So what is the definition of this reaction? It is the reaction in which exchange of ions takes place. In which exchange of ions takes place. So basically, in this reaction, both the salts are taken. In that, one was metal and one was salt. I'll write the general reaction first of all. it is AB plus CD. This gives us AD plus CB. So in this, what is happening? The exchange of ions is taking place. First, we write generally metal, and the next one is the non-metal. Or we say, in a better way, we can also write that the first is cation and the next is anion. So what is the definition which we are considering? That the exchange of ions is taking place. So again, this is the cation and this is the anion. So the cation from the second reactant reacts with the anion of the first reactant, and the anion of the second reactant reacts with the cation of the first reactant, leading to the formation of products. I'll give you one example. So first example is BaCl2 plus Na2SO4. I don't know what is happening today with my pencil. BaCl2 reacts with Na2SO4. It leads to the formation of barium sulfate and sodium chloride. I'll write the reaction. BaCl2 plus Na2SO4. This reacts to give C. This is the cation, it reacts with the anion, so it forms BaSO4. This is the cation, it reacts with the anion, so it forms NaCl. Another example I can take for you is AgNO3. It reacts with NaCl. Now what will be formed? Na will react with NO3. So it will be NaNO3, whereas Ag is going to react with Cl2. And what will be formed? AgCl. Cl2 with Ag. With Cl. Is it clear what actually happens in this reaction? The exchange of ions takes place in the double displacement reaction. Clear, children? Any doubts still here? Yes or no? Is it clear? Double displacement reaction, what actually happens in the double displacement reaction? Children, in the next class, that is on Wednesday, we are going to do the last reaction of NCERT, and I'm going to introduce you to two more reactions which are actually not directly the part of NCERT, but they are in NCERT indirectly. So we are going to discuss about those two also. One is the precipitation reaction and other is the neutralization reaction. They are there, but indirectly they are there. Within these reactions, they are hidden. So that is asked in the paper sometimes. So I'll explain all of that to you in the next class. You all are supposed to practice the displacement as well as the double displacement reaction. Clear, children? Yes? So have a good day, everyone. Revise properly. And in the next class, we are going to go ahead and start the next type of reaction.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.